Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mrs. Som. Today I am going to share you beautiful decoupage floral design candles. Let's begin the preparation of pillar candles. For this we require paraffin wax, a thick thread and some wax crayons and PVC pipes and lavender essential oil. Melt the wax with pink wax crayon and add few drops of essential oil in it. Place a thin cardboard sheet at the bottom of the PVC pipe and secure this with a dough or any clay. Apply oil to the entire pipe. Insert the thread from the bottom of the mold as shown. Repeat the same process for the other pipes also. Now pour the melted wax in the molds. Let it cool down completely for 1 hour. After 1 hour, demold the candles. Now gently push the candles from the back side. This is how it looks. Now we'll start the preparation of decoupage candles. For this we require decoupage tissues, Mod Podge, some gold lace and some flowers. Here I have taken a floral design decoupage tissue which have 3 layers. Now cut this tissue according to the size of the candle. Now apply Mod Podge to the entire candle. You can also use Fevicol instead of Mod Podge. Peel off the 2 layers of the tissue and then gently place it on the candle. Now cut the excess tissue part with the help of a scissor. Now slightly melt the whole candle with the help of a hair dryer. Here I have used camel picture varnish to give nice finishing coat on the candle. You can also use Mod Podge instead of camel picture varnish. To decorate this candle, I have used a gold lace and some flowers. Repeat the same process for the pillar candles also. friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. If you like my video, please give a thumbs up and post your comments in the comment section below. See you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.